Hello, everyone, and welcome to the final week of our workshop series on technology enhanced language learning and integration. So, this is just a short introduction to workshop 6. Well, this week you will be presenting your resource ideas and we reflect together on the workshop series. So you'll have the opportunity to share a learning activity that you have developed with some use of digital tools, however much or however little you want. You'll also have the chance to ask questions about any issues or tools covered in the workshops. And then we'll talk about the evaluation of the workshop series and the next steps in this research project. So the workshop 6 objectives are that by the end of this workshop, you will be able to talk about an English language learning resource or activity idea using digital tools that you have developed for your own Fáilte class, and that you will reflect on your experience of the workshop series and ask whatever questions you may have about it. Regarding activities and resources, well, in this final week, you will be sharing your ideas for technology enhanced resources and activities to support English language learning and integration. And we provide an updated guide to the digital and ESOL tools that we've talked about over the workshop series. And then during the summer, we'll create a collection of resources for Fáilte Shop tutors that will hopefully feature your activity ideas and the completed tool guide with how to support. And then as we end the workshop series, there will be a short evaluation, and we will, over the summer, complete this research project, and hopefully by September, we'll be able to organise a webinar that will be open to all Fáilte Shop tutors. So thank you very much for your participation in the workshop series and your engagement over the last 6 weeks and all your wonderful ideas. And we're looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday.